we have white truffles, found in the forests of Italy. These fungi are so rare and aromatic that they fetch prices of over $3,000 per pound. Chefs shave them delicately over pasta, risotto, or eggs, turning simple dishes into gourmet masterpieces. Don't let its size fool you. Saffron is the world's most expensive spice. It takes 75,000 blossoms to produce just 1 pound, and prices can soar to $5,000. Its golden hue and floral aroma make it a prized ingredient in Persian, Indian, and Mediterranean cuisine. A single fish once sold for over $3 million at auction in Japan. Its rich, buttery texture makes it a sushi lover's dream, but overfishing has made it a controversial indulgence.